Hey John, this I believe is your Facebook page. Your Facebook page looks pretty good. It looks like you got quite a few people that follow you and like you. I went to your website that's linked to that Facebook page. Um, there isn't a lot of content here. Google loves content. I think you have 221 words, so you need to bump up that content. You want your content with specific keywords they want to rank for, location specific. You probably want to have at least 1,000, if not 1,500 for that. Also, I go to, let me save a picture, save image as. You have it named this. You want to save it with a keyword. So like carpet cleaning, Glasgow or whatever. I'm not good with your town's names, your city's names, but I think it's Glasgow or Glasgow or something. Anyways, you want to save it with that keyword or whatever keyword you want to rank for. You want to do that on all your images on your website. It just helps you boost your ranking with Google. So let's go to Google, search carpet cleaning Glasgow, sorry. You'll see there's ads at the top, and then you'll see a Google Map pack. And then you'll see your organic ranking. So going to take the top guy there is this guy. Looking at his website, he doesn't have a lot of content either. I think he has 372 words, which is not a lot. Easy to beat him. Get that 1,500 content. You'll definitely beat him with that. We can see what his pictures are saved as, his images. Let's see, carpet cleaners, Glasgow, carpet and upholstery cleaning. So he actually saved his images the right way because he wants to rank for that. And then he threw that stuff in there as well to rank for that if he can. But another tool I use is Ahrefs. You can get 7 days for $7 trial period. Otherwise, it's quite a bit a month. But I've threw your website in here, and you guys don't have any backlinks or you're not ranking for anything, and you have no keywords. Your website is either pretty new or you just haven't done anything with SEO. But throwing in your competitor's website, you'll see he has 45 referring domains, 187 backlinks. Backlinks are huge for SEO. Google doesn't really trust people if they don't have people linking back to them. And they want not just spammy links, they want links that come from people that have pretty good popularity and trust. This guy, he actually doesn't have too much. It's easy to beat this. You can go into his backlinks, grab the ones that he has, go after the big ones, the high numbers ones. We don't want zeros. We want these bigger ones with, high trust as well as high popularity. We also want to get do follow. No follow just kind of gives you popular. It doesn't really give you any trust value. Going back, we can see what keywords he's ranking for, and get an idea what keywords we want to rank for, what content we want to put in there to rank for keywords. So you see he's this top one that gives him 30 traffic a month, and that's only searched 80. He's number one in that. Carpet cleaner, Glasgow, as well as carpet cleaners. This guy has his keywords the right way, and he's ranking. He's ranking on the first page really well for them, and he's getting a lot of traffic from them. So you want to go in here. You want to get. You want to have your content on your page with these words in it. You don't want to spam it. I want about one keyword every 100 words, as well as you can put them in pictures, which is I think where he's getting all these from just saving that one image. That seems to be where he put his keywords at. You notice this is 10 KD. 10 KD is pretty easy to get. I mean, it's a little harder, but 0 KD, easy to get, easy. 22, it's going to be quite a bit harder, but it can be done. But, we want to go for, upholstery, cleaning, glass, 60 people search that a month. 3 KD, super easy to get up there. This guy's only number 5, and he's already getting about, just under 5 people a month with that one. And go down here, you can get a whole bunch of other ones. Just get an idea what people are searching. This near me, you won't get that 1600. That's all over. This guy, he's pretty back there on that page. You can try to get the people near you, but that's just kind of a national keyword. But you can get some of them, but it's not 1600, not even close to that. But yeah, you just come down here, see what people are ranking for. You can do other keyword searching in here and find out what you want to put in your content. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the Google Map Pack. So before, a lot of people go to websites just directly from the Google Map Pack, so it's important to have one. On whitespark.ca, it lets you see what the citations are. This number one guy, he only has 10 citations. That's hardly anything. I would definitely go at least 100, if not 200. I mean, you can go as many as you want. But you can just come in here, grab his citations that he has with this. He's got Facebook, Yelp, Yell, all these ones. And you just copy them, as well as you can go out there and get your own. There's tons of them out there. You don't get 100% of them. Google doesn't find all of them, but you get about 80%. So easy to do, easy to get, and then you can get ranking on the Google Map Pack as well. But yeah, you're welcome to take any of that stuff and do it yourself. There's plenty of stuff you can do, and it will definitely boost you. It looked like there's actually quite a bit of search volume in your area, and the KD is pretty low, so that's good. Otherwise, we can set up a Zoom call and see where you want to go from there. Anyways, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks.